morning, dear students. In the last class, we have learned about land masses. It means continents. The very large land masses are known as continents. We have learned about continents. Okay. In this class, we are going to learn about the water bodies. It means oceans. The very large water bodies is known as oceans. The ocean water covers almost 97% of the surface water area in the world. Okay, and then it is not drinkable because of it is salty. Okay, the ocean water covers almost 97% of the surface area of water. Then it is not drinkable because it is salty. So there are 5 large land oceans in the world: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Let's learn one by one. So first one, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Okay, largest ocean in the world. It covers almost 46% of the water surface area in the world. Okay, so totally 46% of water surface area covers by Pacific Ocean. Okay, and then the world's deepest point means what? The world's deepest point. What is Mariana Trench? Okay, it also has Mariana Trench, almost 11,022 meters. It means it's almost larger than the Mount Everest, the height of Mount Everest. What? Mariana Trench is the deepest point of the world. Okay, then it is the home for almost 75% of active and inactive volcanoes. Okay, it's home for almost 75% of active and inactive volcanoes. So it is the deepest ocean in the world also. Okay, deepest ocean. Almost the depth of this ocean is 4,000 meters. It means 4 kilometers. Okay, it's the largest ocean. 46% of surface area covers by this one, and Mariana Trench. 75% of it contains active and inactive volcanoes, and then deepest ocean also. Okay, so next we will move to second one, Atlantic Ocean. What? Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. Okay, second largest ocean in the world. It's not deeper than compared to Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. It's not as much as deep. Okay, and then it covers almost 29% of water surface area. Much? 29% of water surface area. Then it is the busiest ocean. Busiest ocean for trade. Okay, it's the very busiest ocean for trade, and it is in the shape of S. Atlantic Ocean is in the shape of S. S shaped ocean. Okay, so it's the second largest ocean, 29% of water surface area, then busiest ocean, and then S shaped ocean. Okay, and then Pacific Ocean is horseshoe shape. Okay, horseshoe shape, and then Atlantic Ocean is S shape. Okay, let's move to Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. Okay, third largest ocean in the world. It covers almost 20% of the water surface area. How much? 20% of water surface area, and third largest ocean. The only ocean named after a country means India. Indian Ocean, and it is the trade route between Asia and Europe. It provides the trade route between Asia and Europe, and then it is in the shape of triangular shape. Okay, triangular shape. It has in the shape of triangle. Third largest ocean, 20% of water cover area. Then Asia and Europe. It provides the routes between Asia and Europe, and triangle in shape. So fourth one, Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean, namely, or another name of Southern Ocean is Antarctic Ocean. Southern Ocean lies on the southern hemisphere. What? Southern hemisphere. So in the globe we have divided into two hemispheres, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So it lies almost in the southern hemisphere. So southern is the fourth largest ocean in the world. It's almost in the circular shape. It's a circular shape. Okay. So southern, it lies in the southern hemisphere, fourth largest ocean, and it is in the shape of circular shape. Okay. So next, fifth one, last one is Arctic Ocean. Which one? Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the fifth largest ocean and the smallest ocean in the world. It lies entirely in the Arctic Circle. Fifth largest ocean and then Arctic Circle. And then throughout the year it covers by the snow. It covers by the snow because of it lies in the Arctic Circle, which is polar region. That's why almost all in the year it covers by snow. And then it is the shallowest ocean of the all oceans. Okay, it's the smallest ocean. Okay, so this is all about the oceans. First one, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. So students, so next move to the shape of the Earth. The shape of the Earth. The shape of the Earth is in the shape of circular in shape. Okay, circular in shape. Very accurately we can say the shape of Earth is a orange. It is in the shape of orange. Okay, so and then in the previous years, in the many years ago, most of the people assume that the shape of Earth is flat. Okay, when we go to the top of it, we would fall into the Earth. No, this is the shape of circular or orange in shape. Okay, so next we will move to the globe. Globe is the model of Earth. Okay, you can see a globe here. Okay, so it is in the form. So we can see a globe. It's the model of the Earth. Okay, so we can see Earth is rotating on its axis. It's known as axis. Okay, the location here to here. So and the top and the bottom are depressed. Okay, this depressed top is called North Pole and the depressed top bottom is known as what? South Pole. Okay, it rotates in its axis. It rotates in the axis around the sun and around its own axis. Okay, students. So students, let's move to the another topic, map. Okay, map is a drawing of Earth's surface on a flat surface. Okay, a map is a drawing of Earth's surface on a flat surface. Okay, maps is a very useful thing. Okay, we can locate places. Okay, we can locate rivers. We can locate physical features such as mountains, rivers, plains, plateaus on it. It's a very handy and it's a very useful, and it can be rolled up and it's carried very easily. Okay, so nowadays maps are very useful. Okay, we can use in our smartphone also. So maps can be broadly classified into two types. First one, political map, another one, physical map. Political and physical map. In a political map, we can identify countries, states, capitals like this, etc. Okay. In a physical map, we can locate a physical features, mountains, plateaus, rivers. Okay, these type of things we can locate here. Okay, political and physical map. Some of the types of maps are here. First one, climate maps. So climate maps indicate the climatic conditions or precipitation of a particular region. Okay, then topographical map. Topographical map is special type of map which gives a outline or a boundary of a places, certain places. Then resource map. Name itself says resource means the map which shows the natural resources. Okay, what natural resources of a country, of a place. Okay, so then sketches and plans. It's also a special type of plans which we can indicate or identify countries, bridges, bridges, places, and then vegetation, desert, this type of indication, and then coastlines, urbans we can identify in a sketches and planes. So another one, special maps. Special maps also another type of maps which can, it indicates the routes. Okay, routes here. Okay, these are the some of the types of maps: climate map, topographical map, resource map, sketches and plans, and special maps. So then the art and science of making maps is a art is known as cartography. Cartography. And the person who makes the maps are known as cartographer. Okay, cartographer. So the book of maps is also called atlas. Okay, atlas. These are something information about maps. So next we will move to signs and symbols on a map. In a map there are different signs, different indications, different directions, different lines is there. Okay, some of the indications. So here look at here, thick line with the dots. Thick line with the dots, which indicates the boundary between countries. Boundary. Thick lines with the dots indicates the boundary lines between two countries. Then lines, plain lines indicates the sea routes. So then sharp lines with the dots indicates the boundary between states. And then circle with around another circle indicates the capital, the capitals of a states or capital of a countries. Then two parallel lines indicates national highways. So then PO indicates post office. Then the plain line indicates other roads. Then PS indicates police station. Then this line indicates the railway line. This symbol indicates bridge, and this one river. So these are all the symbols we can identify a particular places or particular things on a map. Okay. So then the colors on a map. Colors on a map. Colors on a map is nothing but in a particular is what? Rivers, lakes. These are all things. These are all things we can identify in a blue color. Water bodies are identified in a blue colors. Then roads, it means national highways and other roads are indicates in a red color. Okay. Then mountains are indicates in a green colors. Okay, so then deserts are indicated in a yellow color. Okay, then directions and scale. The most important element of a map is nothing but directions. In a directions, you can easily identify, we know 4 directions: north, south, east and west. These are known as cardinal directions. Which directions? Cardinal directions. Always on a map, the north direction is on the top. Using this north, we can easily identify another 3 directions. In the bottom, south, here west and east. Apart from north, south, east, west, the 4 directions, there are another 4 directions also there. North, east, it means in between north and east. And then south, east, it means in between south and east. Southwest and northwest. These are all the another 4 directions are there, is known as sub-directions. Cardinal directions and sub-directions. Then scale. Okay, in drawing of a map, scale is very important because of the places between the distance between the places are is very large. It's nothing but here from Mysore to Bangalore around 140 or 150 kilometers are there. So, or 200 kilometers are there from place to place. So, we have to use a scale to identify the places. Because compared 200 kilometers are there from one place to one place. So in 200 kilometers, let's we take 1 kilometer to 100 kilometer as a 1 centimeter. What? 100 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter. So then one place to place, it means place A to B is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, because of the maps are very clearly indicates the places also and the directions also, and then indicate between the distance between any two places in the map. We have to use a scale also. Okay, on this basis there are two types of scales are there: large scale maps and small scale maps. Okay, on the basis of scale, maps are divided into two types: large scale map and small scale maps. Okay, dear students, about this large scale map and small scale maps you can learn in a higher classes. Okay, in this class we have learned lots about the topic, anything oceans, and then maps, globe, and then directions and scale. Okay, these are all about this topic. Okay, in the next class we will move to another lesson. Okay, I hope you all understood about this topic. Thank you.